Cryptocurrencies have experienced significant growth in popularity since they were first introduced in 2009. They are somewhat obscure in nature and difficult to understand. The confusion bring about myths and rumors regarding these digital currencies is no particular order. There are some of the most common cryptocurrency myths combined by the examination of facts to help that decide where there is only truth to falsehood to them. Nearly all cryptocurrency transactions are used for legal activities. Cryptocurrencies have the value some people and are sure of operate security steps are taken. By definition, cryptocurrencies are many but not real, as in physical are backed by government money. Cryptocurrency may not just be a fad. There are many use cases being explored and developed that suggest otherwise. One of the oldest and most pervasive myths about digital currencies is that they are most commonly used for elect activity. While it's true that digital currencies have been used by individuals with nefarious goal in mind as well as by criminal organizations, the same could be said for any form money used throughout the history. According to journalists, a company that assists investigators in company cryptocurrency crimes with blockchain data analysis, the number of cryptocurrency transactions related to illicit activities fell in 2020. The latest report 2.34% of all cryptocurrency transactions. Out of this small number of transactions, 54% considered of cryptocurrency scam. Most cryptocurrency transactions are conducted with legitimate and legal intention. It's important to note that government and the international community are cracking down on cryptocurrency used by criminal and organized crime. Many countries have adopted cryptocurrency anti-money laundering and countering the financing of terrorism measures. Agencies and terms have been established to combat the use of cryptocurrency in these legal activities. For instance, in the US, the National Cryptocurrency Enforcement Team (NCET) investigates and processes criminal cryptocurrency users. Value of subject concept: a person, community, or society may place value on an object the another put in the circle bin. For example, in the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin was valued shortly after its launch in 2009 and thousandths of a cent. Its popularity continued to rise and in 2021 at to reach $69,000 per Bitcoin. Its rise in value demonstrates that how an asset is perceived by a society is essential in establishing whether it has value. Ethereum, the blockchain ecosystem that powers the cryptocurrency ETH, is the building block of non-fungible tokens, decentralized finance application, and other technological advancement in ownership of digital assets. Ethereum may not have the dollar value that Bitcoin does, but its utility and potential give it much more value to a company developing financial products and services that use the Ethereum blockchain and smart contracts. Investors and enterprise have begun holding cryptocurrency for use in finance, investment, virtual capital, and many other. For example, Galaxy Digital Holding. It is a financial service and investment company with close to 2.9 billion in crypto assets under management. Cryptocurrency dollar value appears to fluctuate following consumer and investor sentiment, supply, demand, and economic. Similar to many other assets or currencies, the key technology behind cryptocurrency is the blockchain. A blockchain is a distributed database secured with encrypted technology that is very difficult to break, as transactions are entered in the blocks in the blockchain. Previous transaction information is recorded in the new blocks and encrypted. The chain continues to build on each previous block, and a community of automated verifiers has the agree that the information recorded in the transaction is valid. The encryption like blocks and consensus mechanism make it nearly impossible to change information in the blockchain to steal cryptocurrency. The weakness lies in how cryptocurrency is accessed and stored, such as in cryptocurrency wallets or centralized exchange that facilitate transaction. It is entirely possible to send cryptocurrency from one use to another without worry, but the platform and software used to store and access it can be hacked or tampered with. Cryptocurrency to popular belief, cryptocurrency mining is not the process of creating a token. It is the process of validating transaction and creating a new block in the blockchains. Cryptocurrency is the reward given for opening a new blocks. There are some very safe methods you can use to ensure your cryptocurrency is safe. For instance, you can keep your crypto assets keys off the exchange and in cold storage. When you want to use it, it transfer only that amount you want to use to your hot wallet through a secure wired connection and a non-mobile device like personal computer. There is good reason to be connected about the impact digital currencies have on the environment. Some cryptocurrencies enjoy a consensus mechanism that use computer computer power and large amount of energy to verify and validate transaction. One token Bitcoin has become more popular and valuable as time has passed. Large mining operations emerged take advantage of the rise in popularity and corner of crypto mining market. Each of these mining farms requires a massive amount of energy to power the mining rigs, adding up to total network energy consumption equality that of some small countries. However, the environmental impact generally depends upon the source of energy the mining operation are drawing upon and the impact their energy used on the power grid. If the mining operation are drawing most of their electricity from the fossil fuel powered grids, then the impact is excess carbon pollution for an intangible yet valuable atom whose future and benefits to humanity are uncertain. On the other hand, if mining operations are powered mostly by sustainable energy, that environment impact is lower. Not all cryptocurrency use energy incentive mining of validation. Cryptocurrency on blockchain technology are over evolving with some taking steps to reduce their environmental footprint. Cryptocurrency have become an accepted means of exchange at many retailers and merchants. People are accepting them in personal transaction and government are working to find ways to regulate them. Most digital currencies have no program code or malicious artificial internet that works to take money from you. However, people have created scam to try and trick you out of your cryptocurrency of money. For example, there have been many entire coins offering unregulated fundraising for a new cryptocurrency version and turned out to be scam. In other cryptocurrency scams, sometimes might try to get you to accept unverified transaction or call you pretending to be government official and asks you to pay your debts in cryptocurrency. You can find information about cryptocurrency and other scams on the Federal Trade Commission Consumer Information website. The entire money fund define money as the store of value, unit of account, or medium of exchange that is widely accepted and can be translated into the price. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority defined cryptocurrency as a digital response section of a stored value through cryptography.